Hi everyone, I'm Mick. Welcome to my shop. Today I've got a couple new enhancements or upgrades to the mill, 3D printed stuff, and some stickers from some more great YouTube channels out there. So let's take a look. So we've got some new stickers to put up on the board, but before I do that I wanted to give a quick shout out to Mark Rutkowski at MR Tool Repair. Mark, I just recently got a dial test indicator back from him, and this is not sponsored. I paid for it for repair, and he does an outstanding job. I could not be happier. Replaced the crystal on it and it works now. Yeah, if you need any sort of precision tooling repaired, you can see on the card he calipers, micrometers, optical comparators, hardness testers, etc. Can't recommend him highly enough. So let's get some stickers out. Alright, so we've got a bunch of great stickers today from a bunch of guys who you're probably already following. So first one is from Steve at Shark River Machine down in New Jersey. I was just down his way not too long ago, a few days ago, picking up my newest tool that followed me home, an Atlas MF milling machine. So I'll see if I can find time to do anything with that. And from Haxby Shed, looks like we got a little glare there. Haxby Shed over in England, Paul. Paul just recently celebrated a milestone on his channel, I know. And another home shop guy, Jeff. I think he's out in Long Beach, California. And we got Dean from AYR Cave Shop, Aaron Powder from Aaron Engineering and DCT, Design Creativity channel, Design Creativity and Technology channel. And then we've got Billy from Knox Machining and from Knox Makers. Really cool stickers, Billy. I like that. And Neil, the coveted 3D printed sticker from Neil at Nell's Mechanical Man Cave. I don't know if you saw the video I did on the improvements to my Harbor Freight bandsaw, but I stole most of those ideas from Neil. And then of course Robert at Dudley Toolrite. Great channel. Guy's done a ton of stuff, and really enjoy all of these channels. So I'll get these up on the board, and then we'll take a look at the newest 3D printed things that I made for the mill. Alright, so I've got all the new stickers up on the board there, starting below and beside Rusty Knox. So you guys are all in good company, and thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. I love the stickers, and I love the community that we've got going here. So let's take a look at these 3D printed parts. So a couple new additions, 3D printed additions to the mill. As you can see, T-slot covers. I am really quite impressed with the TPU, which is what these are printed out of. TPU is a softer material than the PLA or ABS that's typically used in 3D printers, and in fact it's flexible. So you can see I'll pull this one out. I've got it sliding under the jaw, and you can bend it. I had thought about doing this. I like the T-slot covers. I think they're sold by Octane Silicone, but they don't make them for this size mill. These are 12 millimeter, I think. And I thought about printing them in TPU, but I was a little hesitant to do so because I thought that the plastic would likely just burn and get all stained up and everything with the oil. But EC Christ, Eddie's, the Eddie's channel, he recently 3D printed some TPU gaskets for small engines and did a lot of tests on them regarding heat and oil and gas, and they worked great. So I gave it a shot and very, very happy. Couldn't be happier with it. So, and then the second thing is this tray. I was recently re-inspired by Chuck Bomarito printing the trays for the Vice, and I'd been hesitant in the past because I was thinking, well, it's just going to get filled up with chips and everything, but listening to him, I think he was right. Regardless of what you do, you're going to have chips there. But I was playing around, I was making something on the mill the other day and realized that I just set things down here anyway. This was typically my catch-all for things. And so rather than put it on the end of the vise, which is going to be moving in and out and potentially in my way, I just 3D printed this one for the top of the power feed, and with that little hole for the brushes and this little slot, this little raised area here, printed into the bottom. It fits there perfectly, doesn't move around, and gives me a pretty good sized little storage area. I might print one for here to cover this up and make it a little bit deeper. I don't know, we'll see. But these two things, I will put these up on Thingiverse and put a link to them in the description. And if you don't have a 3D printer, contact me. Maybe we can work something out. And if you would like the CAD files for these, I drew them in FreeCAD. If you want to modify them for your use or anything, just drop me a line and let me know. Alrighty, well, thank you everybody for watching, and if you would do me a favor and subscribe and click the like button, I would certainly appreciate it. So, take care. Bye.